Dean was I buy cool stuff. Let's take a quick look at the Norinco Sporter SKS. This is another gun porn short. So this is a Norinco Sporter SKS made to conform with the bands in the late 80s, early 90s. It is a shortened carbine type SKS. The gas system is shortened. Has the thumb hole stock. This one here is imported in 1993. They're all dated. And they take AK mags. Factory AK mags. They snap in like a regular AK mag. None of that goose lip stuff. Like, subscribe, comment. Like I always say, God bless you and God bless America. Like, subscribe, comment. It helps my algorithm.